Tiger, since you've been such an amazing student, I have a reward for you. Can you guess what it is?
Is the reward an exercise with statement problems?
You nailed it, buddy. Statement problems. Ratio of boys to girls in a class is 2:1. If there are 7 girls, how many boys are there? We have ratio of boys to girls is 2:1. And the number of girls equals 7. We need to find the number of boys. 2:1 equals what is to 7? We multiply 1 and 7 to get 7. We multiply 2 with 7 as well to get 14. So there are 14 boys. Amazing! Nina has candies and cookies in the ratio 3:2. If there are 12 candies, how many cookies are there?
Thank you for watching. Enroll now. To access all 107 videos totaling 10 hours and 41 minutes, featuring introductions, examples, and exercises for Grade 5 Math.